Hello everyone, we are the Cute and the Flip-Flop family, and we just want to share with you some fun times at Orlando Universal. First, this is our walk. After we parked the car next to ET, as you can see there. We just went down, and it's such an easy and short walk to the security, and then you can either go to the toilet there. If you have kids, I would recommend you to go to the toilet just before go to the security, and then just after this short walk, then after security you can be ready for some fun. I just can't tell you guys how much fun we have, and this is, for us, is our favorite parks. Island of Adventure and Orlando Studios, Universal Studios, is the best. This is the best feeling ever. Once you walk in and you see the sign, Universal Orlando Resort, that's when your heart feels everything, and you know you're in a city walk and ready for some party and some rides. There is some shops there, and it's just so fun to walk through. And you can see there, just in the end, is the Island of Adventure entrance. Walking past here, we had some celebrations for the World Cup. We had some nice live music, a DJ, some crazy lady dancing there. Don't know why, but it was fun, and we could take some pictures as well. Not with her, but in the entrance there of the Visa. It was fun, and it was hot, and it was nice, and that's why we got our freestyle cups as well. It was about $20 for the first time, and then after the second day, when you top up, you get about $14, but if you're annual pass holder, it's about $12. So it's quite good, and you can refill your cup as much as you want all day long with soft drinks, fizzy juice. So it's quite nice, refreshing, and I think you have to wait about 10 minutes between the top ups. You can get icy as well, which the kids love it, and our favorite one is watermelon icy. It's so good. Then you're walking past here Margaritaville, which some people like to come here for some cocktails or mocktails as well. Very nice, and you can sit outside, enjoy the view, and if you like people watching, it's really nice. Then you have the beautiful bridge where you can get the spot to take some pictures, which is quite nice, especially at this spot here that we're just walking past. You can see the Hard Rock in the back, all the boats going along, and the Universal globe at the back. Once you win, you see the big picture of the Island of Adventure there. Then you go for the queue for your entrance. If you're an annual pass holder, you go on the left hand side and you can join the queue there. If you're not annual pass holder, just join the queue on the right hand side. That's the entrance there. And if you arrive right at the start, which is 9 o'clock, you can get picked to open the park, and you can have a saying welcome to the park, and then every day they choose random people, which is quite fun. And then is where the adventure begins. Sometimes you have characters waiting for you at the start there, so you can take pictures. If that's not the day, just keep walking, but you see really nice shops as well. You see bakeries, you can see a big shop with souvenirs, which you would go only at the end. At the beginning, you're more interested to go right into the park. Right in the corner after that bridge, you can see there's a very, very nice Starbucks. I'll definitely recommend to get a nice latte from there, especially in the hot days. Nothing better than an iced latte from that Starbucks. Here they have some souvenirs about Halloween horror nights, which is quite nice. And if you do believe, they do read as well your future there. Keep going, and you can choose going to the right or to the left. It's entirely up to you. If you go to the right, you go to the Seuss Land, which you can see the cat in a hat and everything. If you go to the left, then you go to the Marvel Land, where you can, if you're brave enough, join the Hulk. I haven't been there yet, not brave enough yet, but all my family been, and they love it. They've been back to back about 3 or 4 times. So it's all about how brave you are. So because this was early entrance, we had to go Seuss Land, which I think is so cool and it's so pretty. And you have the cat in a hat ride, which is quite nice. There in this stand is where you can get the watermelon icy. 100% recommend. Everyone who goes to the park needs to get a watermelon icy. It's so nice. Cat in a hat ride is quite nice, especially when you're hot. You go in there and it's just, they're reading the book and showing you how the book goes, and if you're hot, and the aircon there is quite nice. 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish is one of my favorite rides, because if you do what they say, if you do the opposite what they say, actually, you get splashed in your face. So it's quite fun and is entertaining as well. You get some nice toilets around there as well. And if you keep going, sometimes you get to see the Grinch. Yeah, he does sometimes appear now and then, and he's quite fun to see. You have some food there as well you can get, and some very, very nice shops to buy some souvenirs or some gifts to your loved ones back home. Keep walking, and then you can get some beautiful viewing of the Seuss Land. I love that land. It's one of my favorite ones, actually. It just makes you feel so happy, and everything is so fun. Everything is so cool. Sweet candies, oh, that's quite nice. A bit pricey, but you're in the parks, you want to enjoy, and nothing gets so expensive when you're having fun, isn't it? If you keep walking, you're going to go another, it's an icy machine just around the corner there on your left hand side. You can get some ice, free water if you don't pay for the freestyle. If you have your water bottle, you can just top up your free water there as well, just there in the corner. You get a nice view of Velocicoaster, Popeyes, cross the bridge here, and this part now is under refurbishment, so they're changing the land, they're changing everything. At the moment we don't know what they're going to go for, but it still looks nice. It still looks like a mystery, and it's fun to walk through. the restaurant was still there, Mythos, which is apparently one of the best restaurants that you can go in a park. We've never been, so I can't comment on that. What disappointed me was this wall around the whole park, so we couldn't see what's going on. I can see they're breaking all the old things that had around, but it's quite disappointing to see this wall and then blocking all the viewing and everything that we can see in the park, and making the magical things going away. But it was nice. Then we keep walking, and it's nice, it's hot, and it's fun, and just, you know, our thoughts of what's coming up is quite nice. We keep walking there, and we're going to the next land, which I feel like is more like a How to Train Your Dragon land. At the moment it feels like that, but I don't know if they're going to put into that, but it does look like that. You have your little shops now and then. Again, that wall that I don't like it, that blocks your viewing from everything. But there you have How to Train Your Dragon shops, which makes me very, very excited, because I can't wait to see. It's one of my favorite films ever, so that should be, if they make it into How to Train Your Dragon land, I'll be so happy, because I can't wait to see that. And we keep walking, and what we see there is you see the Hogwarts Express going from Hogsmeade, which is quite exciting. So you can go from Hogsmeade to King's Cross station. This lady that is holding the line starts here is for the Hagrids. Believe me or not, the Hagrid's queue is quite long, but it doesn't take that long like you think it's going to take. So I would definitely recommend, because for me it's the best ever ride. It's just a mix of everything, of roller coaster and excitement and fun and everything. There's things in the middle of the ride that you're not expecting to happen and happens. So yes, definitely is a must. And also the Harry Potter land, you can get your butterbeer, which you can get frozen, hot, or just as a normal fizzy juice. I would definitely recommend this frozen, because it's so yummy and so refreshing, and it's just something different that I bet you never ever tried before. And it just feels like you're walking in a proper Harry Potter place. Even if you're not into Harry Potter, it just feels magical. This part here feels like it's snowing, and you can feel every time we walk past, we go, oh, is it raining? No, it just feels like snowy and everything. They make so magical. And then you see the castle, and then you go in the castle ride, and then it's just everything so nice, and you just make the park even more magical than what it is. And for the castle, just remember you have to put all your things in the locker before you go in. There's a locker just before this entrance there. Just make sure, like we did, you pack everything, put in a bag. The locker is for free. You just need to put your phone or your ticket, so they give you a ticket to open the locker. Put your things in and enjoy the ride. And I hope you guys have really, really great fun in there. See you again.